724 here, and today I'm playing a game called Sandstorm Pirate Wars. Don't know very much about this game, but oh, there we go. Here's the sound. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, let's see what this game's all about. Oh, Captain and Guardianship. They could award the others. Another one? Where's the first one? Sure, I knew that. Wait, now we need a target. Energy. Oh, fireworks. Call that fireworks? All that is just a barrage of gunfire. Nothing special about it. Thanks, I think. Is that skull supposed to be smoking a cigarette or a pack of dynamite? I'm confused. Scraptown. Lost into the laser we got, Cap. Install it. Don't give me much choice. Ship is ready, Captain. Deliver the package to Gastown. ASAP. Gastown? What's that place? Place of people fart a lot? That's a joke, by the way. I'm not really asking that question. Obviously, Gastown's is a town with lots of oil in it. You come again with a strategy. They only give you one option in this game. What the heck? Okay, got that part. Thanks and delivery. Here's your reward. Thanks. Here's a new gate. Kill the ship guarding body and I'll give you a shield. What ship? I'm curious. Just a ship. Check it out. I was just asking what kind of ship it was. Sheesh, man. It's supposed to be going to bloody hell. Is this bloody hell? Got a shipwreck. Treasure inside. Search it. Can't be found. Okay then. Have some of the others. Oh no, we got that one. Yep, there we are. Not bad at all, Captain. Zil. Here's what I promised. Real job now. My daughter Anemone to Old Haven. Okay. Green Force, go. I trust to have a shield. Yeah. Why? Green Force shield. Alright, we got it. Wait a minute, another one? Hey, Captain, your luggage is too heavy for basic maneuver. Not now. I'm recording. I'm not sure if we can drop the bags, and then will probably get pissed. Drop the bags. And pay if they can get to Old Haven. Alright, we got that ship. Made my bags now. Give me a call when you're next in town. Oh, Captain, you're good with guns. I'll pay rich you can give it a Caluche. Deal, I guess. She's a strong, Cap. I'm increasing capacity at the new shield we got. Produce long. Can we start the process? Power cells. Oh, so that's what these things are for. Powers increase to have more room support systems. some reason this game reminds me too much of Mad Max Fury Road. Personally never cared for the movie, but I guess this is the end of the episode. So this is Newbie724 signing out.